how to create a pie chart in Google Sheets. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So creating pie chart in Google Sheets is really simple. Let's dive right in. Open up any browser and then head over to your Google Sheets. Make sure that you have your table ready. Now select the table and then you need to go to Insert. There you'll find Chart. Tap on it. Firstly, it will create column chart, but you need to go to the drop down under chart type. And then there you'll find pie chart. Tap on it. And that's it. It's as simple as that. Now you can just drag and place it anywhere. There you go. So, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.